Looking to provide liquid filtration solutions from scale-up to full production for a wide range of active pharmaceutical ingredient API applications? Filtration Systems can provide just that. The integrity of the pharmaceutical product is of critical importance to all stakeholders when the filtration is subject to good manufacturing practices, GMP, and sterility requirements. There are high operational costs for the qualified cartridge or membrane media. At a Swiss production facility, there was a problem using polyester felt bags for the removal of palladium catalyst upstream of the polishing cartridge filters. The felt bags, rated at 1 micron nominal, allowed significant carryover of fine particles, quickly blocking the cartridge filters. The felt bags did not result in significant extension of the polishing or sterilizing filter's life. With a reaction batch size of 10,000 liters and more than 120 batches per year, the company faced significant problems due to the poor performance of their pre-filtration bags. Filtration Systems recommended its Ultrafit welded high-performance bags. These bags are constructed of multiple layers of graded density melt-blown polypropylene fiber to perform depth filtration to achieve an absolute micron rating in the range of 97% to 99.98%. These materials are 100% FDA approved. They display high efficiency at superior solids loading capacity in a broad variety of pharmaceutical applications. With an annual output of 120 batches, major cost savings were achieved. Along with filter bags, our bag filter housings are available with sanitary interior polish finishes. The design is inherently self-draining. Housings have sanitary clamp connections and can be combined with suitable sanitary piping into multi-housing manifolds. Sanitary housings can be polished to grade number 4 and RA specifications. Filtration Systems is proud to assist companies with a successful approach. By filling out the filter selection worksheet linked below, we will be able to identify the perfect bag for you. Visit our website or give us a call at 954-572-2700.